Instantaneous center method to find velocity of various configuration. Let's consider slider crank mechanism. Before that, question is given: find velocity of slider and angular velocity of connecting rod. And configuration, first we will draw configuration diagram. So base is given horizontal, O point is given pin jointed. With reference to O point and horizontal line at 60 degree, A point is given, means crank. So crank is given at 60 degree with length of 20 mm. Finally, end of connecting rod point A. Ultimately at the end, connecting rod is given 80 mm long. So from A with this horizontal line, do arc of 80 mm. So here will be B point, that is slider, and 80 mm long connecting rod. This one is path of slider. Now, to identify velocity of slider and connecting rod by instantaneous center method, first step is to write link number. Say one is fixed link, over here it is fixed, and slider also base fixed. So one first number link. Here second number, let's say third number, and fourth is slider. So this one is 4 link mechanism. After that, draw one circle, arbitrary radius circle, and divide that circle with n equal part. N represent number of link. Here total 4 links. So divide this circle in 4 parts. It may be equal or unequal, but 4 parts required. Let's say here it is first part, second, third, and finally fourth. Now locate instantaneous center which is available. So for two binary links, say this one is first binary link and here fixed is second binary link. So for two binary link, instantaneous center is at connection. So this connection is called one number link and two number. So it is called 1 2. Ascending order we will write. So 1 and 2. At this A point, second link and third link is connected. So that is called 2 3 instantaneous center. Ultimately over here it is fourth number slider and third number link is pin jointed. So that is called 3 and 4. Slider slides on this horizontal path. So for horizontal slider, it is at infinite distance because radius of this horizontal path we are considering with infinite radius circle portion. So 4 number and 1 number, because 4 number and 1 is also connected, it is actually sliding pair. So that is at infinite distance, 1 4. So this 4 instantaneous center is already available in diagram. So let us draw available instantaneous center in this circle. So 1 and 2 is available, so I will draw with object line or dark line. 2 and 3 is available, 3 and 4 is available, and 4 and 1 is available. Now which are the remaining? So remaining lines are 1 and 3 which is not there, and 2 and 4 which is also not available. But it is not necessary to find all instantaneous center. According to our question, we will find required instantaneous center. In our question, we require to find velocity of slider. Here slider name is given B, so that is velocity of B equal to number of slider is fourth number link, so that is velocity of fourth link. So this all are same, is equal to formula of velocity V equal to R into omega. So we can write omega into R also. Here R represent distance between two instantaneous center and omega represent angular velocity of link. So with fourth link, third link is connected. With fourth link, third link and first link both are connected, but first is fixed link, so we will consider only third link. So that is omega 3, fourth connection with 3. Combination of these 3 digit represent 3 4, angular velocity instantaneous center 3 4 dash. कंसिडर दिस इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर मीन्स ओमेगा का जो लिंक है दैट विथ फिक्स इज 1 नंबर and 3 number, 3 will be over here, and combination of this both number will be here. So that is called r represent radius of instantaneous center from fixed point. Now we want to find omega 3, 3 4 and 1 3. So we have 3 4 already available, but 1 3 we don't have. So let us find 1 3. So for 1 3, see in this circle for 1 2 3, how to move from 1 to 3, which paths are available? 1 to 2, 2 to 3. One path is 1 2 and 2 3. Second part 1 4 3 4, 1 4 3 4. So extend these two line. One line will be passed from 1 to 2 3 point. Second line will be passed from 1 4 3 4 point. Intersection will be 1 3. So one line 1 2 2 3. So using scale extend these two in both side, up and down. Using scale extend this. Likewise 1 4 3 4, 3 4 over here and 1 4 infinite. So that is only vertical line. Now intersection will be over here. So intersection will represent 1 3 number point. So we have 3 4 and 1 3. Now we have omega 3 also require, but omega 3 we don't have. We have omega 2. It is given that crank is rotating in clockwise with 10 radian per second. So before that omega 2 is given. So using angular ratio velocity theorem, 2 and 3 is connected. So we can use that theorem, omega 2 by omega 3. You can write 3 by 2 also. Angular velocity ratio theorem in instantaneous center method represent angular velocity is reciprocal of that distance from fixed link. So here 2 and 3 is ratio because 2 and 3 is connected. So that represent 2 3, numerator and denominator. 2 3, 2 inverse distance means 3 here I written in denominator, so it will be in numerator. So 1 3 with respect to fixed, and here it is 1 2. So it is inverse ratio theorem. Now to find omega 3 we have already omega 2. So that is equal to 10 radian per second and omega 3. 2 3 2 1 3. 2 3 is over here, 2 3 and 1 3 is this one. So measure this 1 3 2 2 3 and convert into scale. Here 20 mm is given and I drawn 2 centimeter. So our scale is 1:1 only. So this dimension, let us assume you can measure using scale also between these 2 points. So let's say it is 9.8 centimeter. So according to our scale it is 98 mm. 2 3 to 1 3. So 2 3 to 1 3 is 98 mm. Using original scale value, and 2 3 to 1 2 it is 118 mm. From 1 3 to 2 3 to 1 2, yes, here it is directly given 20 mm. So consider 20 mm. Now we will identify omega 3, that is 20. This millimeter will be cancelled, multiply by 10 radian per second and divide by 98. So ultimately you have answer omega 3 in terms of radian per second. Use this omega 3 answer over here. So velocity of fourth link, which is slider, it is omega 3 3 4 and 1 3 distance. Omega 3 will be over here, 3 4 to 1 3 distance. Measure using scale 3 4 to 1 3. Let's say it is assumption only, say it is 9.4 centimeter using scale. So convert into original scale of configuration diagram, it is 94 mm. So you'll write down 94 mm over here, and ultimately your answer will be in mm per second. That represent velocity of fourth link.